What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series with a brand new spray out. Cool Rustoleum colors with crazy pearls and flakes over top, and then you guys get to rate them. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. And guys, I got a crazy color combination for you today. We got thundercloud gray going on half of this fender, and another gray that I haven't shot yet, satin charcoal, on the other half of the fender. That's right, we're going to two-tone it, and then we're going to shoot a really crazy Colorshift pearl over top of it called Plum. It's going to shift from blues to purples to pinks. It could be any number of things, guys. I haven't honestly used this Colorshift pearl yet because we did a pearl bomb on a past episode and it got used in that. So we're going to find out firsthand today. Is this Colorshift really cool or is it a big fail? But without further ado, we got our two Rustoleum colors. So let's two-tone our fender back here and we'll move on to the pearl. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our two Rustoleum bases down and it's time to mix up some pearl. I got my Speedo coat clear today. It's about 75 outside. It mixes 4 to 1. So I put 4 ounces of clear in here. I'm going to put 1 ounce of this activator in here. That gives me 5 ounces total. So that should be good. And like I said, 75 degrees out is perfect for medium temp activator. Plum Colorshift. Now like I said, I haven't used this yet. And it looks like it's got some blues, some pinks, some purples, a little bit of everything, and rightfully so. It's Plum, right? So I'm going to spritz a little bit of this in the mix. This is a 5-gram jar, so 5 ounces of clear total. I'm going to put about a gram in this little mix right here, and we'll shoot it over this pearl. Spritz it in a little bit. That should be plenty. And I'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, Plum Colorshift pearl. Now as you can see, it has some blues, some pinks, some purples. I even see some oranges and reds at certain lights. Wow, this is a pretty cool looking Colorshift. I'm excited to spray this out since we haven't yet. Well, there's only one thing to do, guys. Mix this up really, really good and load up our gun so we can get to spraying. Alright guys, so we got this crazy Plum Colorshift pearl loaded up in the mix. Make sure to kind of slosh around your gun just a little bit. Keep these pearls agitated. You don't want them to clump. Shooting through the V-bore today, guys. It's a 1.4 tip, and I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. But as always, we're going to put a light coat on first just to make sure we don't get any reactions. And then we'll probably do 2 or 3 following coats until we get the desired look. And then it's time to take it outside in the sun and see what we got. So, hey, let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so this is a spray out today. Thundercloud Gray and Charcoal Gray with a Plum color shift over it. Now, this color shift was pretty cool. It was pretty vivid. It shifted from pinks to purples to even gold in certain lights. So it's really kind of comparable to the golden color shift, just on a little bit of a different level. Obviously, with a Thundercloud Gray, when the light isn't hitting it, you do have a lot of the salt and pepper effect. It does look blotchy because you did it over a light color, and this is a darker solid pearl. So be mindful if you decide to replicate any of the scents with a light color and a darker pearl that you might get salt and pepper effect and have issues. As far as the Charcoal Gray goes though, no issues whatsoever. Look good when the light hit it, and it disappeared when the light didn't, which is, hey, the pearl doing its job, right? But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. I want you guys to rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. If you want to buy anything you saw me use today, this Plum Color Shift Pearl, the paint gun, the clear, anything, links in the description. Click on As Seen on YouTube. Takes you to my Amazon store, and you can pick up anything there and help support the channel. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I sure hope you'll hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. We got plenty of them. And hey, like, comment, let me know how I did today, guys, and what would you like to see next spray out wise? Which Rustoleum colors and pearls have you not seen combined on the channel that you're curious about? I always love your comments and feedback, positive or negative, either one. Criticism is what it is, and I don't mind it. That's why I'm on social media, right? But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.